Hi everyone, this is Malvika from AIV. In today's video, I will be giving the demo of how can we apply filter on a widget using custom visualization. So let's get started. Now, before I start giving today's demo, I would like to mention that the script which will be used in the custom visualization will be provided below this video in a link. So let's start with today's demo. Now, for applying a filter on a table widget using custom visualization, we'll first of all go to the custom visualization component in the widget panel. Then we will click on the HTML tab, and here in the HTML tab, I will copy the HTML code which I have here. So I'll copy this HTML code and I will save it. I will paste it over here like this. Now, after pasting this code in the HTML tab, I will go to CSS, and again I'll go here and I'll copy this CSS code and paste it over here in the CSS tab, and I'll click on preview and save and exit. Now what we can do is we can change the background and the title by clicking on this widget settings option, and then we can go to background properties, and in the panel background color we can make this transparent. Same way we will do for this option also, and same for the third option also. So you'll see that the background has become transparent for this custom visualization widget, and in title properties we will uncheck this option which is show title, so the title will also be disabled, and we'll click on save and exit. So you'll see that we have created our custom visualization widget. Now let's go to the table component in the widget panel and create a table widget. Dataset, I'll be selecting sales.ds over here, and I'll click on preview and save and exit. So here we have created our table widget. Now we will create a filter. So I'll click on the option filter, and here I'll click on the plus icon, and the name of the filter I'll keep as air, and I'll click on this check option. In the event, instead of on click, I'll select on change, and I'll go to the settings icon. Now source, I'll be keeping static, display type will be text box, and the rest of the settings will also be as default here. Now let me go to the link filters and widgets. So layer I'll keep as layer 1, tab 1, and widget will be the table widget 2, this table widget 2. Now since this is the widget which is there in this dashboard and which needs to be linked with the filter. So table widget 2, and the column that I'll be selecting for linking will be the air column. So I'll select the column air. Then I will go to the filter view tab, and I'll click on this plus icon over here and click on save and exit. Now once I do this, you'll see that we have successfully created the filter widget. Now I'll save it in the dashboard, and I'll go to the preview mode of the dashboard. Now once I do that, you will see I'll click on this button, this custom filter button 2016. So you'll see that the data for 2016 is being reflected here in the table widget, and the same value is being passed in the filter also. Now if I click on 2017, you'll see that the 2017 data is being reflected in the table widget, and the same value is being reflected in the filter widget also, and same is for 2018. So you can see the data for 2018 and the same value is being passed on the filter also. So this is how we can apply filter on a table widget using the custom visualization in the dashboard in AIV. I hope you liked my today's video. If you liked it, please like, share, subscribe and comment in the section below. If you have any specific questions, please mail us at support@aivhub.com, or you can also visit our website, that is www.aivhub.com. Thank you.